Let's have a look at unit lesson 3. Double click on it again. Oh, what's happened to it? We're in the wrong file, of course. Again, rooms 2. Let's go back here to Righto, and let's go to rooms 3. Like always, find the one with the Unity icon and double click onto it. Once again, I'm just going to reduce let's go to a medium over here, right? And let's go and click on play. Of course, if you haven't got a high-end computer, it's better to go onto a low resolution if your game doesn't work properly. And if it works too fast, you must know your resolution is too low and get a higher resolution. Once again, we are going to the flashcards to refresh the memory.
Bed.
Right, a flashcard quiz. And like explained in the previous video, if they're not sure about the word,
double bed,
you can listen to it again. You've got time, and they must click on the correct picture. If you're working in a team, then pass the mouse on to the next student, and next student, the next student, and so forth. Right? It's basically the same as in the previous lesson. Let's click escape.
over,
And let's quit out of it. Right. Now we've got a puzzle game coming up over here. And here we are sitting with the puzzles, different puzzles. There are 12 puzzles. That means three per team that you can play. And let's go and play the puzzle. Righto. Now here we have got one picture in place already because it's only squares. So it's quite difficult to build this picture. Right? But anyhow, should you need more, or let's just move this away here. Where can I put it? Right, I'm going to put it down there somewhere for the meanwhile. You can always just scroll up and down, right? Up and down to see which pictures you want or which pictures you don't want. Righto. I'll assume that that picture goes in over there. And all you need to do is to bring the picture close to the position it should be in, and when you release the mouse, the picture will jump into the correct picture. Yeah, let's go and see what have you got over here. Right, it looks like this one could maybe be part over there, right? Let's go and leave it. Yes, and it did work out. Now, the idea is to assemble enough pictures that you can figure out which room it is. Because, let's go and try that one there. Righto. And of course, look, the more pictures you put in place, the higher your score is going to be. But you must watch out over here. Because if you run out of time, you lose all your score, right? So, like I said, the idea of the game is just to go and see how many items you can put into place over here. There's one more. Right.
Game over.
Right? We ran out of time. Score over. Okay. So I should have clicked on which room it is before to lock my score in. And like I said previously, student 1 can select the first item.
Start.
Right? Student 1 can select the first item maybe. Right? Okay, and then he passes the mouse on to student 2. Student 2 will go and select the next one. If you're not sure of the items over here, you can always scroll up and down to select more items or to see the other items, right? Let's just go and try that one over there, maybe. Yeah, that worked out, right? And so you can assemble the whole picture until you have more, know which room it is, and you can go and click on the room. If you click too early and you click the wrong one, you're also going to lose your score, right? That is the puzzle game. Let's go out of it. Back to the main menu again. Right, and now we've got the memory card game again. We click on the red card firstly. Right, let's go and click on the red card. So they must tell you what is this, a chair, a sofa, whatever it is. And if they say it correctly, then they can click on a blue card. And if the if the cards match, for instance, chair, chair, or armchair, armchair, it'll explode, and you can award a point to that team. Select a student at random again to come and draw the next card. Before you can do the next one, you have to reset the cards. So when the next student comes, maybe you'll select that one there. Oh, armchair, and I think we had an armchair there. Right? Oh, it's a wash basin. What a pity. Righto, reset cards. Armchair. And which one did we take over here? There was that one. Righto. See, and then it's exploded, and now you can award a point to that team over there. Reset the cards, and you're ready to play once again. This game here, depending on how much fun you want to make out of it, you can extend it and stretch it out a bit. And this game can take anything from 15 maybe to 30 minutes. depending on how you play it and how big your class is. But yes, you can also have a lot of fun playing this game. Righto, back to the menu again, and that is basically rooms 3. Righto. And of course, like normal, if you need help, press F1 and you can read all the help over here, right? F1 to get out of it again. Righto, thank you very much for watching, and if you are using the games, thank you once again for using them and for your donation.